everyone. Today we've teamed up for a special project for you, making a video solving your own math problem. First, we're going to set up our iPad with our camera off the edge of the desk. This will make it so that it's possible for us to capture our math problem that we will solve on the floor. On the floor, you'll have two pieces of paper. It's important to make sure that your pieces of paper fit within the frame of your camera so that you know that your entire problem will be on camera as it gets solved. You also want to make sure that your whiteboard is within view and that you have all of the different pieces that you will need to solve your math problem, including addition and subtraction signs, as well as all of your phone blocks. When you're ready to record your video, tap on the red button and make sure that you're on video mode. Now we'll press the red button and solve the math problem together. If you are working with a partner, one of you should be responsible for the iPad and making sure that the problem stays within the screen, and also you should check your partner's work to make sure that they got the answer correct. The other person should work on the floor solving the problem for the video.
Each of you is going to get an equation to create. For this one, it is 1.38 plus 0.78. First thing I'm going to do is build this first number. I have 1 as my whole, 3 tenths, and 8 ones. I put a plus symbol here just to organize my work. Now I'm going to build 0.78. So I have 7 tenths and 8 ones. Since I am adding, I am going to mush these blocks together to find my answer. I'm going to take away my plus symbol just so it's easier for me to visualize. Mush, mush, mush. I'm going to take away my ones, that way all my tens are together. And then here are my ones. Let's count them up. 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's a whole. If I wanted to, I could go back in my baggie and I can replace 10 tens for 1 whole. Now I have all my ones over here. Let's see if I can build 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can replace 10 ones for a 10 stick. Let's see what I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It all was mushed together to make 2.16. And that is my final answer.
Be sure to check your work before turning it in to your teacher. When you're finished recording your video, open the Photos app, then find the share arrow. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Tap on the share arrow, and when the options appear, tap the one that looks like a fingerprint. This is called AirDrop. Once you tap AirDrop, look for your teacher's name and be sure to tap it so that they receive your video. Be sure not to tap anything while the blue circle completes so that your teacher is sure to receive your file. When finished, tap the Done button in the upper right-hand corner. Now let's give subtraction a try. First, gather your problem from your workbook.
I then wrote the problem down on the whiteboard so then my iPad can see it. Then I got out my blocks and I made $1, 30 cents, and 8 cents. $1.38. Since I'm doing subtraction, I got out my subtraction Post-it note. And now I'm doing 78 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cents. This is my problem just using the foam blocks. Now it is time to solve. I am going to take my 78 cents and I'm going to lay it on top of my $1.38 by stacking. I need to make sure that my blocks stay on my white piece of paper so that the iPad can take a video of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I can place my ones here. Now I can see how much left over. I have, I gotta make sure it fits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 8, or 5 tens, 50 plus 8, plus these two that I left over on the top. So 50 plus 8 plus 2 equals 60. I then can go get more blocks to make 60 cents. My final project will have $1.38 minus 78 cents equals 60 cents.
I'm doing math!